Okay, I have my jars, caps, and lids in here sterilizing in the boiling water, getting them ready to make me some more pickles. And I have my pan over here boiling my water, getting ready to mix up my sauce that's going to go over the cucumbers and make me some pickles. Okay, I have all my items together ready to make my pickles with. Got my cucumbers here. I'm going to chop them all up real good. Got the pickle and canning salt. They say use about a cup of it. I have my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use a cup of apple cider vinegar. Got my dill seed. That's going to make those pickles have that good dill flavor to it. Got some cinnamon. That cinnamon is going to make it taste good. Some cayenne pepper into that. And add some sugar, half a cup of sugar, and some bell peppers, onions in here. That's going to give it a good taste as well. So let me get ready to chop up all of these cucumbers and get ready to make me some more pickles. My family really enjoys them. Okay, I'm getting ready to mix my sauce together. Apple cider vinegar, bell peppers and onion, pickle and canning salt, my sugar, I'm going to shake in some of my dill seed. Give it that good dill flavor. Add some of the cayenne pepper to it to give it a little spicy taste. Then add my cinnamon in. Give it a nice good taste as well. It looks like it's going to come out good. I just stir this all together. Ooh, it smells good. Let it boil a little bit longer. Get that good smell blended in there good. Be ready soon to pour it over my cucumbers and make those good pickles. Make them good tasting pickles. Ooh, it smells good. Can't wait to enjoy these pickles. Okay, with the water bath method, you let them boil for about 15 minutes and then they will be fully sealed. Okay, the 15 minutes is up. You let it cool down for about 5 minutes before you take it out of the pot. Now we're just waiting to hear it pop. Then we know the seal is tight. And you want to store it in a cabinet for about a week. Let the seasoning get real good in it. Soak real good on the now pickles before you eat them. And once you open up the seal, then you can refrigerate them. They're looking good. I hope y'all taste good. Y'all looking good. Come on, let me hear you go pop. Should I say, here you go, ting? Come on, let me hear you go, ting. Then I know you are fully sealed. Some of the water out the top of it. Ah, you heard it go tick? Okay, you sealed. Okay. Okay, now where the rest of y'all? Come on and let me hear you go ting. Let me hear you go ting. You said ting. Okay, what the rest of y'all gonna say? Come on. Let me hear you go ting. I'm not gonna be here all night filming this now. Come on and say ting. You said ting. You sealed.